In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Windows could not start the VGC service error 1. Incorrect function on your PC. Method 1. Open services. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Method 2. Find the VGC service. In the Services window, scroll down to find VGC. If you don't see it, this fix won't apply. Method 3. Check VGC service properties. Right-click VGC and select Properties. Under Startup Type, select Automatic. Click Start if the service isn't running. Click Apply, then OK. Method 4. Run System File Checker. Press Windows plus X and select Windows Terminal, Admin, or Command Prompt, Admin. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish and fix any corrupted files. Method 5. Update or reinstall VGC driver. Open Device Manager by pressing Windows plus X and selecting Device Manager. Look for any unknown devices or drivers related to VGC. Right-click and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device, then restart your PC. Method 6. Restart your computer. After these steps, restart your PC and check if the VGC service starts without errors. Thanks for watching. If this helped you fix the problem, please like and subscribe for more PC troubleshooting tips.